Hi there, my name is Megan Gorg. I'm a director with 31 Gifts, and I have been a consultant for 4 years now. And I just wanted to share with you our 2019 Spring-Summer Signature Enrollment Kit. That is a $99 cost, and I just wanted to share with you some of the endless possibilities that this box could bring you, just like it's brought me. It has, just in the last 6 months, this box has brought me to the Bahamas, me and my husband to the Bahamas in an all-expense paid trip, to Atlantis, all expenses paid. It is bringing me and my husband to Maui next September, and I just got back from skiing with my daughter in Utah, where I got to use my Visa gift card that that I earned with my 31 business. And right straight from Utah, I went straight to Orlando, Florida, to the Gaylord Palms Resort, where I spent a weekend with my 31 friends, where we learned and worked together to work on our businesses. So that's just a couple of examples of what this pink box brought me that I got exactly 4 years ago, and wanted to show you what's inside of it and tell you about the endless possibilities that this pink box could bring you. So this is exactly what, just about exactly what you would get when you sign up. My website is megangorg.com, and you can just click on the Join Us tab at the top to get even more details. But, and this is Zoe, my bulldog, who likes to participate in all of my videos and help me with my business. So this is the kit that you would get as a signature enrollment kit. It does not have the business supplies that you will get when you sign up, which includes a pack of catalogs, order forms, and everything that you will need to get started in your first month, at least. But this has the products that you will get for the $99. So the deal alone, the value alone, is huge. So I just wanted to show you exactly what this looks like when you open it. So in the very top is the top-a-tote that comes with your kit to go right on your utility tote. And this is in navy blue because it matches the utility tote that comes in your kit this time. Packing, and this is what it looks like. It just pops right out of the box, just like this. Zoe's gonna help us here. This is in our, I think it's called Fun Flags, but I love this utility tote right here. I love the colors. And in it has a playful pinwheel or pinwheel party. This is our all-in organizer, which is such a great little bag. It's got 2 pockets on the side, just like this. It's open in the inside, and the little trick is that if you add 2 Littles Carry-All caddies to it, gives it a little structure and even more organization inside. But this just makes a perfect car bag for your little kids, a church bag for you to carry your Bible or your books back and forth, just a perfect little organizing bag. Next item, Zoe, you're gonna help me, is a pillowcase. And you can just pick up an insert. You can get one from 31, but you can pick up an insert at your local Walmart or Joann's or your craft store. And this is one of our canvas pillowcases to show you what you can do. This says Sunshine on My Mind, and it's got flip-flops print on it. You can do pictures, you can do initials, you can do embroidery. This is what our print screen one, but it's a canvas pillow. And that's, I just love our canvas pillows. I have them all over the house. I'd love to give them as gifts. And this is our famous cinch sack, ours with a llama on it, to show you some of our awesome personalization that we have this spring. This cinch sack is one of the products that we're known for, I think. This thing is going to last you and your kids for years. And your little trick for the day, if you need one, if you have little kids where the cinch sack is just too big for them, it's too long, it hits them in the back of the knees, you reach in and pull the cord out and you tie it a little bit higher up. It shortens the strap, so when you pull it back on through, you've got a shorter strap there for your little one, so it's not hitting them in the back of the knees. but our cinch sacks always have a pocket on the front, and they're super durable and are gonna last you. They're not gonna rip like those cheap ones. All right, what else have we got in this awesome kit? We've got our picnic thermal tote in scallop stripe. If you can't tell, there's a little bit of a navy theme going on. Love this. This picnic thermal. Our thermals are always really popular because they last. And this one is no exception. This is really deep. Oh, and it's got an anchor on the front, so pretty, and a great pocket. But it's a great size. It will fit several bottles of wine or a couple 2 liters of soda, just to give you a size frame reference. And we have another thermal. This is our one of our very first thermals that we ever offered. It's just our thermal tote, but it's in our llama, our green cabana stripe llama print. Really, really cute print. This is like an upright type thermal, similar to what I just showed you, but it's got a flat bottom that you can add containers to, and it sits up tall like that with a pocket in the front for silverware or something like that. All right, next we have our new statement canvas zip top pouch with a bee, our natural bee embroidery on it, or print screen. How beautiful is that? This is such a great size. It's a little different than our other sizes, but you can add pictures to this. You can add letters, names, anything that you would like just about on this zipper pouch. Love that. Again, all of this is in your kit. Okay, the next is our #1 selling wallet, our All About the Benjamins wallet right here in this Fields of Gold Pebble. It's got our mini card slots and driver's license spot, place for cash, pockets in the back. Look at all these more card slots back here. And then a matching wristlet strap to attach right here. And so you can take it on the go, super easy, right? How great is that? That's in Fields of Gold Pebble. And then 2 more items. Our #2 selling product is our Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote in Cabana Stripe here. And this is a great bag. You've probably seen this bag. It's our #2 selling product. So we're always going to equip you with exactly what you need to be successful in your business, because we've given you a sampling of all of our popular prints and popular bags. And this has a zipper. And you can actually add a fold-in file to it to help you organize even more. But it's got 7 pockets on the outside, making it a really great organizing bag. And then last but not least is our Retro Metro bag. This is in Stepping Stones. This is a really popular bag. All of them have a little saying on the inside, which we love. This one says, "I can and I will." And on the inside, it's got 2 little pockets and a zipper pocket. And then on the outside, it has 2 really deep pockets, as well as a clip for your keys or whatever else you might want to add in there. But it's got an enclosed rolled top for some structure. It's just a great bag that's going to help you get wherever you need to go. So again, all of those products came in this $99 kit. Now, when you get your kit, you'll get even more stuff like business supplies, catalogs, everything you need to get started on your business. So my website is megangorg.com. You can feel free to email me, text me, anything that you need.